Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And today I am excited because I've asked someone that I really enjoy to do a collaboration with me. And her name is Kathy's from Kathy's BeautyCareChats. And I'll put a picture of her on here. I have watched every one of Kathy's videos. She brings me joy. She does. I call her Sunshine, and I know a lot of you people who watch her do too. I'm not going to say a lot about her because I do want you to go watch her video. Every time I watch one of her videos, it just puts me in the best mood. I enjoy her, and she's got a great sense of humor. She's smart, and of course, she is beautiful inside and out. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do this without very many mistakes. The first thing that I am obsessed with, and I don't use that word a lot, but there's things I really truly get obsessed about. And something that I'm obsessed about is, since I turned 64 and a half in April, I have been getting at least 16 phone calls a day from all over the United States. And what it is, people are wanting to talk to me about Medicare supplements. I've quit answering the phone. So what I've done instead of dealing when the phone rings, I've gone in and I have programmed all my friends and family with a new ringtone, a different ringtone for all of them. So that has helped decrease all those calls. I've asked to be taken off the do not call list, but so far it hasn't worked. So that's been something I've been obsessing about. I'm still obsessing about my iPhone case that I bought. I had one before for my smaller phone. I just love it. It has plenty of room and it makes my life easy. So I love this. And I love it that I'm going to be able to use my iPhone 6S as strictly a vlogging camera. So I'm excited about that. And when Jim and I go somewhere, I will always have that with me. So that's something I'm obsessed about. If you haven't watched me for a while, I think all but a total of 2 years since I've been 5, I've always worn my hair just about the same. Well, I got it cut short 2 years ago, last November, and kept it short for a little while. Well, I remember when my hair was this length, I used to put part of it up, just the crown, in a ponytail. Well, there was nothing that worked as well as the Invisibobbles. I have tried the off-brands, and these don't have any beginning or end. I don't know how they did it, but they're smooth as they can be. So like last night when I went to bed, I just put part of my hair, I don't put my bangs in it, and put it in the ponytail. And I didn't sleep with my silk sleep cap last night. I just slept on my silk pillowcase. And when I got up today, I have a little bit of fullness without doing anything to it. I didn't have to, and I like that. And I like that I don't have to see through my hair anymore because I'm doing the derma rolling on my scalp. I'm obsessed with that. So if any of you have found less expensive, I think the only place I could find these were on Sephora, and they're 4 for $8. But I thought I'd given them away, and I hadn't, so I'm so thrilled to have it. They don't dent my hair. I've never lost a hair when I take it out, so I've been pretty obsessed about these. I only have 2 products I've been obsessed with makeup, and one of them is the Superhero Automatic Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm looking forward to being able to wear eyeliner like I did today with no eyeshadow and enjoy that. The other beauty item that I am liking, and I don't think of this really as a beauty item, but I've been obsessed with my CC Plus 50 SPF powder. I don't like the ones that have the powder in them and the brush. There's some really good ones out there, but this, I keep one in my car, one in my vanity, but it has a little powder puff in it, and when I'm in the car, I can just put some powder on the back of my hands, and I still don't have any age spots. So I always have this with me. Sometimes I use it as a base after I put on my primer, and I know I'm getting extra sunscreen protection. And if I'm out too long, I've got it with me, and I can use it for extra sunscreen protection. So those are the beauty items. But you know what? Anything that makes you happy is a beauty item. I believe that. And so I'm going to go ahead and talk about a few more things. Okay, what I'm going to show you, I have been obsessed with for almost a year. I bought a set of 4, purchased them for my son and my son-in-law for Christmas. I always give gifts and make them figure out what they can do with them. And they're by Laurie Grenier. I bought mine from QVC. I bought theirs from QVC. They're supposed to be silicone safe grabs, but I will tell you what I love about it. They're microwave safe. What I'll do is, a lot of times I will just like warm up a bowl of soup and it's hot. Well, I'll put this in the microwave, put my bowl on top of it, and remove it. And there's so many uses for these. I made the guys try to guess how many. You can use it to open jars. You can use it as a trivet. You can use either side. It has all these little ridges in it, so you can turn it upside down and it won't seal a bowl, but it will cover a bowl. And I hate flies, I do. So especially if you're eating outside, this is just so handy to put on top of it. You can use it for placemats, for a lot of different things. But I have 2 large and 2 small, and I absolutely love them. I haven't found them anywhere except for QVC, and I think they were like $25. I'm really not sure about that. But I've been loving these for quite some time, and I saw them first on Shark Tank, and I said to Jim, I've got to find those. So it took me a while to find them. I asked you all one time about things to strengthen my hands, and I got a lot of really good suggestions. So I went on QVC. No, I went on Amazon, and I ordered the Friendly Swede balls. They give you exercises to do. There's one that's easier, and then the green one is for a little bit more resistance, and then I'm going to work up to that. But I really like these. They work. I mean, I will use them a lot because a lot of times I have one hand that's free. But, you know, even exercises between each finger, these have been helpful. And I thank you for recommending them. At the same time, I'm not obsessed with this, but I want you to tell me where I can find what I'm looking for. And it needs to be someplace I can order online. I wanted a squeeze ball. This is one that is a slow release. But I want the kind that has the gel inside, that really thick stuff. I think those are so cool, and they just feel good, and they're great stress reducers. They won't work out my fingers like the other, but I'm looking for one because I want to be obsessed with it. I had to go get something from the freezer. I've had these for a couple of years, and I heard about them from Carol, from the Carol show, and I call her the Queen of Cool. And literally in this, she is the Queen of Cool in a lot of things. I ordered these from Amazon, and they're 2-inch square ice cubes. I absolutely love them. I have learned that if I put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds, they're so easy to pop out. But I love big cubes of ice because you all know I drink a lot of water. So those are great. And it has helped a situation. These are my ice cubes. I have 2 trays of them. And Jim has 3 trays of regular ice cubes. He wouldn't like these. But so I just worry about filling up my ice trays. And if he's out of ice, he learns to fill up the ice tray, because that used to aggravate me, because I empty an ice tray and into a bag, and then I would fill it up. Well, he's not the same as I am, but I love those. And along with that, I've had this for a couple of years. I have the Yeti. I have every brand. This one comes in a lot of different colors. So one Christmas, the Christmas before last, I ordered all my kids and grandkids a different color. And it's kind of a Yeti knockoff, but it's probably just like $19 or so. You can find these at Walmart. You can find them a lot of different places, but it's every bit as good as a Yeti. And sticking out of it is one of my other things I'm obsessed with. At the time I purchased those, I also purchased some stainless steel straws. And these were meant for the 20-ounce Yetis. Well, they fit my 30-ounce cup very, very well. And yes, I drink out of a straw. I have smoked cigarettes, and I haven't smoked a cigarette in going on 5 years. But you don't have to get wrinkles when you use a straw. If you kind of smile, it doesn't cause wrinkles. So that's how I view. And then, you know, I use a vape. I do. So that's how I do it. I just smile when I do it, and I kind of always have. So anyway, I got 5 of these, and 2 of these in one set. And I gave my grandkids and my children all some stainless steel straws, and they like them too. Helps the environment, has a nice little brush that you can clean them with, And well, I'm obsessed with them. After Barbara Bush died, I got to see a lot of footage of Laura Bush. I am truly obsessed with her. I think she's the most beautiful woman we've ever had in the White House. And she is so classy. She's 71 years old, and that's not old at all, but I'm not kidding you. I just can't believe how beautiful she is. So I wanted to mention that. I'm also obsessed with my DVR. Since mid-80s, I seldom ever watch live TV. And I like American Idol. I like The Voice. I like Project Runway. So I DVR those things, and I can just fast forward. If I don't like a song, I can just fast forward to the next one. And I can watch a 2-hour show in about 40 minutes if I just listen to the singing. And that's what I want to hear. I love to see their progress. So I've been enjoying that. I've been enjoying some things on Netflix. I've watched the first 2 seasons of Broadchurch. Natalie, the Beauty Diva, recommended that to me. I'm starting the 3rd season. It's really a very interesting series. It's filmed in Southwest England, I believe. I would watch it even if I didn't like the content because it is so gorgeous there. But I've been enjoying that. I watch TV at night. When I go to bed, I usually watch an episode of something. So I've been enjoying that. So these are my obsessions for the month. I know the person that Kathy is obsessed with, but I don't know any of her other obsessions, so it should be really interesting. I can't wait to see what she has to say. And I sure hope you go watch her video, give her the thumbs up, and subscribe, because I think you will enjoy her as much as I do. It is all good. You all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. I love to see them So I'm going to go ahead and try to do this in one take So I'm going to go ahead and try to do this and not have a lot of mistakes.